Hello guys, welcome to another episode from How to Webmaster. My name is Leon, and today I want to report back on my journey with Fiverr. This is a quick little update since the last time, which I told you guys that I've given up on my Fiverr journey after the first 30 days. I made 0 sales, and you guys can check out that video down below. So today is day 77, and so after 77 days I finally received some orders. So here's my gigs dashboard, and I paused a few gigs, and these are the 4 remaining ones. So it's getting some impressions, not a whole lot, some clicks, and 2 orders with these link building services. I finally made a couple sales. This is within the last 30 days, so it's not anything worth it to continue with Fiverr. I mean, I'll just leave these gigs alone. I'm not even updating them or anything like that. I just set it up one time and just leave it there, and if orders come, they come. If not, I'm just going to move on to other journeys and things to make money online with. So as a new seller, it's very hard to get sales as a new seller with 0 ratings and feedbacks. Anyhow, I hope this gives you some ideas about the kind of competition you're going to be facing as a new Fiverr seller. Anyways, thanks for viewing. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more internet marketing tips, tricks, and make money opportunities and journeys that I go on. Thanks again for watching.